Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 13 for CBSE board. Question number chapter number 4 quadratic equation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 4.4. Question number 2. Find the value of k for each of the following questions. Quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. Okay, now here this is a condition given. Now question number 1, 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Now try to understand solution. Comparing given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 2, b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. And therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 and therefore k square minus 24. Since given equation have two equal roots, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 and therefore k square minus 24 is equal to 0 and therefore k square is equal to 24 and therefore k is equal to plus or minus root 24 is equal to plus or minus 4 into 6 and is equal to plus minus 2 root 6. Okay. Question number 2. Kx into bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now solution. Given kx into bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0 and therefore kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. And therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 2k square minus 4 into k into 6 and therefore 4k square minus 24k is equal to 24k and therefore now this b square minus 4ac is equal to this. Since given equations have two equal roots, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 and therefore 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0 and therefore now here you take 4k common, 4k into bracket k minus 6 is equal to 0. Now these are what factors of given quadratic equation and therefore 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0 and therefore k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 6 but k is not equal to 0 according to the condition for quadratic equation and therefore k is equal to 6 is your answer. Okay. Question number 3. It is possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters. If so, find its length and breadth. Okay. Now in this case you have to decide whether by this condition, the conditions are given, I mean by means of condition can you design this rectangular mango grove. Okay. Let breadth of rectangular mango grove be x meters and then by given condition length is twice its breadth and therefore length is equal to 2x meter. So B is equal to x and L is equal to 2x. Okay. Now area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth and therefore 2x into x is equal to 800 and therefore x square is equal to 400 and therefore x is equal to plus minus 20 meters, but what it is a length, therefore it is positive, so x is equal to 20 meter. Okay, so yes, it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove with breadth is equal to 20 meters and length is equal to 40 meters. Okay. Question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. Okay. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 48 years. Now try to understand solution. Let present age of two friends be x and y years respectively. Then by given condition, sum of their ages is equal to 20 years and therefore x plus y is equal to 20 and therefore y is equal to 20 minus x. This is condition number 1. Equation number 1. Then 4 years ago their ages are x minus 4 and y minus 4 and therefore by given condition the product of their ages is equal to 48 and therefore x minus 4 and what in second bracket y minus 4 is equal to 48 and therefore x minus 4, here you substitute the value from 1, 20 minus x minus 4 is equal to 48 and therefore x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. Simplify this, 16x minus 64 minus x square plus 4x is equal to 48 and therefore minus x square plus 20x is equal to 48 plus 64 is equal to 112 and therefore x square minus this you transfer on this side, so x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, c is equal to 112 and therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 400 minus 4 into 1 into 112 is equal to minus 48 and therefore b square minus 4ac is less than 0, roots are not real, do not exist and hence above situation is not possible. Okay. Question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Okay, now try to understand. Let length of rectangular park be x meters and breadth be y meter. Then by given condition, perimeter of park is equal to 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into x plus y is equal to 80 meters and therefore x plus y is equal to 40 meters and therefore y is equal to 40 minus x. This is equation number 1. area of rectangle is equal to L into B, that is x into y is equal to 400 meters given, and therefore from 1 and 2 x into bracket for y I substitute 40 minus x is equal to 400, and therefore 40x minus x square is equal to 400, and therefore x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. I solve this equation. Okay. Now therefore you know how to solve this equation. So my factors are x minus 20. X minus 20 is equal to 0, and x minus 20 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to 20 meters. Now y is equal to 40 minus x, that is 40 minus 20 is equal to 20 meters. Hence it is possible to design a rectangular park with length is equal to 20 meter and breadth is equal to 20 meter. So it is of form or what shape? Square. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.